What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over these 8-inch pliers. All right. Now, I just reviewed the 7-inch pliers, the cutting pliers, which is right here. Very nice, from DURATECH. But we have another product from DURATECH right here. And we are going to go ahead and open it. Now, these are just more than cutting pliers, you guys. These are like regular pliers that you can twist wires and stuff like that. So you could crimp wires, you could cut wires with these, twist the wires, do all the type of stuff. All right, so for all the electricians out there, I know y'all want to see this review, and the auto mechanics out there, I know you want to see this review, well, unboxing, might review it as well. So if you didn't catch the 7-inch one, I will drop that link. I will drop that video. I will drop this video at the end of the other video. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, you guys. And I think I might be becoming a fan of this because it looks like they make some pretty cool stuff, you guys. All right. We are redoing our toolbox. We're getting rid of all of our old tools and we are replacing them. All right. And the best things to replace, or the first things and the best thing to replace, is pliers, you guys. More than likely you will need pliers. All right. So right here in the middle, this is where you can cut. All right. This is where you can twist wires if you need to twist. So there you go. And this is how far it opens right there. You guys, the grip on it feels good. It don't feel like the grip could come off. One thing I noticed with these rubber handles from older tools, that after a while they start slipping down and you start getting frustrated and be like, I'll never buy that tool again. So there you go, DURATECH. So let's do a test. All right, we're gonna go ahead and play with some wires. Now, once again, if you haven't seen the last review, then you missed out on all the fun. So you will get all the fun on this review. We have a 14-2 wiring right here. Now we are going to go ahead and see how much power we have. I'm going to cut, and cut nice and easy. I mean, it cut very nice and easy. So that's good to go. And if you want to twist the wires, just simply put a slit in and then twist. All right. Same colors, not these. I'm just showing you an example, you guys, okay? And twist and twist. I'm just showing an example. You do not mismatch this, okay? And then if you're done, we clip it and throw it away. Woo, nice, nice. We're having fun here. 14-3 wire. Woo. This one is a little bit more heavy. All right, so we have 14-3. Now I'm not going to twist the wire this time. I'm just going to cut it for y'all. All right, so let's see. 14-3, and it cuts good. All right. 14-3. It passed. Y'all electricians will be happy. Now, let's get to our 30 amp wire. And this is the tough wire, okay? Let's go ahead and see what it can do. All right, so the same as the other review, you guys. So this wire is tough, you guys. This 30 amp wire is very, very tough. Oh, but it did it on the second try. All right. Now, it took a little bit longer with the 7-inch, but the 8-inch, I'm assuming because I have a little bit more open and a little bit more leverage. And that's what you need, a little bit more leverage. Oh no, it opens the same amount. I believe it's the leverage that you have when closing. So I don't know. I'll let science take care of that. All right, you guys. So that's it with the review. You guys, DURATECH. It looks so cool. It looks so cool, you guys. Links will be in the description. All right, I'll put a link to both of these in the description, and I'll put the video review that I did with this one at the end of this video, so you could check that out. But it's pretty cool, you guys. I like this. So a lot of my pliers that I have, they will be getting thrown out. I'm done with old rusted pliers, and I'm getting more tools on the way. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.